German autobahns are not just roads. They are a symbol of speed and efficiency. Here you can accelerate to incredible speeds, and this is not just a dream, but a reality. Every year, millions of drivers experience this feeling of freedom. Now imagine how cars made in legendary German factories drive on these same roads. Volkswagen, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, these brands represent quality and innovation. Each car is the result of many years of research and development, which makes them one of the best in the world. Old posters with images of cars remind us of how design and technology have changed. They tell a story full of passion and striving for perfection. These images are not just advertising. They're art that inspires new generations of engineers and designers. German autobahns. Factories and posters are three elements that combine to form one amazing story about culture, speed, and innovation. The Volkswagen Beetle is not just a car. It is a true legend. Created in the 1930s by order of Adolf Hitler himself, it was to become the people's car for Germany. Its unique design, with its characteristic rounded shapes, is instantly memorable. Over the decades of production, the Beetle has gone through many changes, but its soul has remained unchanged. This car has become a symbol of freedom and independence for millions of people around the world. Remember how it drove along the streets, attracting glances and causing smiles. Even today, after restoration, it continues to inspire and delight. The Volkswagen Beetle is not just a vehicle. It is a piece of history that lives in the hearts of car enthusiasts. The Mercedes-Benz 300 SL is not just a car. It is a symbol of an era. In 1952, it blew up the world of motorsports, becoming the first mass-produced sports car with a fuel injection system. Its unique gull wings not only attract attention, but also provide excellent aerodynamics. In the 50s, the 300 SL conquered the tracks, winning the hearts of spectators and titles. Today, at modern retro exhibitions, this car continues to inspire. Every detail, from the graceful lines of the body to the powerful engine, tells a story about the passion for speed and innovation. The 300 SL is not just a car, it is a legend that lives in each of us. The Porsche 911 is more than just a car. It is a timeless classic. Since its debut in 1964, the 911 has become an icon, embodying the perfect balance between performance and elegance. The first generations, starting with the 901, surprise with their design and power. Each new release has retained the spirit of its predecessors, but added something unique. From the 911 Carrera RS 2.7, which became a legend on the racetrack, to today's models with their incredible technology, the continuity is obvious. These cars not only won races, but also won the hearts of car enthusiasts. Every turn of the steering wheel, every sound of the engine, a story that continues. The Porsche 911 is more than just a car, it is a legacy that will live on forever. The BMW M3 is more than just a car. It is a symbol of power and elegance. Since its introduction in 1982, each new generation of the M3 has surprised us with its performance and design. Take a look at the E30, classic that set the standard for all subsequent models. Then came the E46, which became a true benchmark for drift enthusiasts, thanks to its perfect balance and responsiveness. With the transition to the E92, we saw the transition to a V8, which added even more power and a sound that is mesmerizing. And then the F80 with its turbocharged engine was a real breakthrough, combining efficiency and dynamics. Finally, the G80 is the pinnacle of technology and style, with an aggressive design and incredible handling. Each generation of the M3 is not just an improvement, it is an evolution that gives us exciting moments on the track and in drifting. The BMW M3 is the perfect combination of power and sophistication, which continues to inspire car enthusiasts around the world. The Audi Quattro is not just a car, it is a true revolution in the world of all-wheel drive. Remember those legendary rally victories? How cars with four-driving wheels conquered the most difficult tracks, leaving their rivals far behind. The Quattro all-wheel drive system changed the rules of the game, providing unrivaled grip and control on any surface. Today, when we look at modern test drives, we can see how this technology continues to evolve. Modern Audi Quattro not only retains the spirit of its predecessors, but also introduces innovations such as adaptive control systems and intelligent algorithms that analyze road conditions in real time. Every turn, every straight is an opportunity to feel the power and precision that all-wheel drive provides. Audi Quattro is not just a success story, it is a symbol of engineering genius and a passion for speed. The German car industry is a true work of art. Each car, from the classic Volkswagen Beetle to the powerful Porsche 911, tells its own story. The innovations that are implemented in each model are amazing: safety systems, fuel economy, electric cars. All this makes German cars a benchmark for quality. Personally, I have always admired Audi. Their stylish design and advanced technology create a unique combination. And what about BMW? Their driving dynamics and powerful engines give real pleasure to drive. Every time I see these cars on the road, I feel that they are not just transport, but symbols of passion and engineering skill. And which German car inspires you?